Over the past 2 days, you decided whose perspective you would be writing from and whether you would try to persuade your family to come to the New World or stay in England. You started to plan your introduction and your first reasons. Today you will plan your other 2 reasons and the evidence to support those reasons. I will add another reason to my graphic organizer. My first reason was that the gentlemen used their power to get what they wanted. Another reason that supports my opinion that my brother should come to the New World is that we, as the gentlemen, will be the leaders of the colony as chosen by the Virginia Company. For my second reason, I will write leaders in the New World. Now I need evidence to support my reasons. I remember we read about this beginning in chapter 9. The leaders were the ones who would choose where they would set up their settlement. So for evidence, I will write choose settlement. Also, since the gentlemen are leaders, they can overturn any idea that a commoner suggests. In chapter 9, on page 72, John Smith suggests building a palisade to keep them safe from the Indians. But President Wingfield says there is no need for fortification since the Indians have been so nice. So I added to the graphic organizer, page 72, overturn commoners' suggestions. We might find other examples as we continue to read, and I can always add them. I'm going to stop here even though I do not have my last reason and evidence planned, because I want to give you a lot of time to write today. Your job today is to finish your graphic organizer by adding all of your reasons to support your opinion and evidence to support your reasons.